Is SuperPayMe a scam, or is it really a way to make some extra cash online? My name is Michael from paidfromservice.com, and I have been a member of this platform for quite a while now. And in this SuperPayMe review and tutorial, I will show you exactly how it works, and I will also show you payment proof so you can see that I have actually earned on it. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of get paid to sites and paid service sites. So let's just start with the payment proof so you can see that SuperPayMe is actually legit. It doesn't mean it's necessarily the best option for you, but I want to show you that I have actually been paid myself. Right now you can see I have almost $394 and I have some points also. I will explain later what the points are worth and how to get them out and all this. But this is what I currently have in my account, and I have received payments from SuperPayMe several times. I will just jump into my inbox and show you the latest email I got from them. Here you can see I got $500 not too long ago, and this is just one of the times I got paid from them. It does of course take time to make this kind of money, and if it is the right option for you or not, it depends entirely on your preferences, but it definitely does pay, as you can see here, and I will now give you a full guided tour to show you exactly how you can use it to earn. So there are several ways you can earn on SuperPayMe, and let me just make it clear right away that you can actually join almost no matter which country you live in, and you can also find good opportunities here almost no matter the country you live in. At first it can be a little bit confusing, and the number of opportunities will of course depend on the country you live in, but there are quite a lot. So if you just take the time to get to know how it works, then you will have plenty of ways to earn here, and hopefully this tutorial will also help you get started easily. But one of the ways you can earn is by taking paid service, and you can see these are some of the different survey opportunities, or you can just click here and get an overview. What I like here is that you can quite easily see that here, for example, these are worldwide. There's some international ones, and then there's one just for the US. So you can fairly easily see if the surveys are available in your country or not. But if you, for example, take your surveys that are worldwide, you can click here. And you can see exactly how much you would get. You would have to click here and take it. A new screen would open. You would take the survey there and then come back, and you would get the earnings into your SuperPayMe account. The earnings for the service you get here are in general quite high compared to many other sites where you can take paid service. But because they offer from this many different partners, it can sometimes take a bit of patience to find the service you qualify for. But after a while you will figure out exactly which providers that are the best for you, and then you will just focus on those. SuperPayMe also has a big section of OfferWalls, and if you have joined Get Paid to sites before, it is very similar to what you can find on many others. These are all different OfferWalls with plenty of offers. It can be to sign up for free trials, it can be to take additional surveys, download games, and all kind of things. And you just click one of the walls and then you can see the offers. Here you can, for example, see the mobile apps, or if you want to watch videos, or just click some ads. And you can see how many points you will get for example, installing and opening this app and collect 150 stars. The rewards you get for the offers in general on SuperPayMe are quite decent compared to many other sites that offer the same kind of offer walls. Exactly how much the points are worth, I will explain that later when we get to the payout methods and how they work. If you go to the OfferWalls menu here, there are also the option here to engage videos and channel watcher videos. The channel watcher is only available in the US, but the engaged videos are available worldwide. And here you can basically earn by watching these videos about different topics, so you can choose whatever you prefer watching videos about. Just be aware that you have to actually watch 3 videos plus ads to get this number of points, so it is a bit time consuming compared to many of the other ways you can earn on SuperPayMe. So it's definitely not the most effective way to earn, but it can be entertaining, and you can also actually leave it running on a screen that you're not necessarily watching if you want to, but it does take some patience to earn through the videos, but it is an easy way, and it's a way that is always available. You can also earn by inviting friends to join SuperPayMe, and if you do that and they join, you will earn 25% of their earnings. It will not affect their earnings, they will earn the same, but SuperPayMe will just pay you a 25% bonus as a thanks for inviting them. And at the same time, the person signing up will get a 20-cent joining bonus if they sign up through your link. And I also have such a referral link, so if you find this tutorial helpful, you are more than welcome to join through it. I will leave a link to the full review on my website below here, so you can find it there. But that is entirely up to you, but inviting friends is a way to earn a bit extra if you know a lot of people that might be interested in actually using SuperPayMe actively. SuperPayMe also has a cash contest every 3 months, so every quarter they have $1,000 cash contest. This is one of the highest cash prizes I have seen for contests like this on Get Paid To sites in general. How it works is basically just whoever earns the most in a 3 months period will get an extra prize. And you can see the first prize is actually $350, the second prize $200, etc. here. So if you earn a lot here, and you can see somebody is actually currently, we are getting to the end of a period here, and somebody has actually earned quite a lot. To get this much, it requires a lot of work, and this is from actually earning by taking surveys and paid offers and things like this. This is not by actually inviting people. This is only from taking surveys and offers. So it requires a lot of activity, but if you are very active here, then this cash contest definitely gives very high rewards compared to any other cash contest I've seen on Get Paid To sites. So let's now talk about how you can actually get your earnings out from SuperPayMe. There can be some differences from country to country, but in more or less all countries you can get them out in cash through PayPal. And what I really like about SuperPayMe is that they have a very low payout threshold. It is only $1 you need to earn to be able to get your earnings out. This is a very low payout threshold, and it will not take you long to reach. And in addition to this, SuperPayMe pays very quickly. The first time you need a payout, they might want you to verify your account, and that can take quite a while sometimes. But if you have done everything honestly, it will be approved, and then after that the earnings will come very quickly. So it's only the first time it requires an extra verification. But now when I cash out, I usually get the money into my PayPal, because that's the payout method I use, within a couple of hours the most. So it is very fast at paying out. In addition to PayPal, you can also get your earnings out through Bitcoin. The payout threshold here is a bit higher. You need to earn $40 for that. In some countries, you can also get paid through Skrill. One thing you just need to know is that some offers you actually earn points and not cash, and mostly that are the offers that you can find on the OfferWalls, whereas the paid service will give you cash, but the points can easily be converted into cash, and 1 point is worth 1 cent. So if there is an offer that gives you 100 points, that will be $1, and you can just easily with one click convert it, and then you can take it out as cash as well. Or in some countries you can also choose to withdraw the points as Amazon gift cards if you do not want them as cash. But overall, the payout methods, the low payout threshold, and how quickly they pay out is one of my favorite things about SuperPayMe. It is one of the fastest paying Get Paid To sites I have tested. And in addition to this, I have also contacted support several times, and they usually respond very quickly and are very helpful as long as you have done everything honestly. They do have quite strict security, so do not try to cheat, and do not try to use bots, and do not try to make it look like you're from a country you're not to get access to other offers. They will ban you, so make sure to do everything honestly, and then it definitely can be a great site to join. Overall, SuperPayMe is definitely legit. As you can see, I have been paid by them several times myself. It can be a bit confusing at first. It takes a little bit of patience to learn to navigate and to find the surveys you qualify for. But if you take the time to do this, it definitely has earning potential, and it has great payouts methods, a low payout threshold, and they pay out very fast once you have had your account approved. So in my opinion, it definitely is one of the Get Paid To sites that is worth checking out and spending some time on. If you want to know even more, and if you want to join through my invitation link and also get this joining bonus, you can find the full review on my website, paidfromservice.com. I will leave a link to that review below this video, so make sure to check that out. And also make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of Get Paid To sites and paid service sites.